So I'm gonna go over here to Grand Prairie with Blake, and we're gonna try and lean on old Sam or Andy for a good deal for the Boy Scouts. So I got my man Sam here, DFW scooters and ATVs.
We got all kind of dirt bikes, go-karts, motorcycles, side-by-sides. Come check us out, get your best deals for parts and service as well.
This is Grand Prairie or
Yeah, Grand Prairie, Texas.
Grand Prairie, Texas.
2618 Arrow Drive, Grand Prairie, Texas 75052. You can reach us at 469-471-89.
And he's giving us a heck of a deal on one of these new in the box so we can donate it to the Blue and Gold Banquet for Boy Scouts coming up. And Blake's gonna pitch in a bunch of labor. So we're gonna get it done. All right, got her bought. Remember to come see him, guys. Pretty reasonable guy. All right. He really contributed to this. Saved a little bit of money for sure because he gave us a better deal. So Scouts are gonna be happy with this one, I think. We even got blue. Oh, he can put nice, even better. There we go. Brought to you by them.
There it is.
Yep, you gonna put it together?
Yeah.
You sure? Get on there. Press it hey, tilt it that way a little bit. Whoa, that's good. All right. Tilt it back, yeah. More. All right. Ready to work, boy? Yeah. All right. You gonna test ride it for us when we get done putting it together?
Yeah.
There you go. We're gonna put it right in the door. Lower it down. Whoa. Tilt it. That way. Keep going. All right, whoa. Got it? Hold it. All right. Ready? You think you can use that? Mm-hmm. Be careful. Open her up. So it looks like here we got a battery. Here, put on the first piece, Reagan. Ready? Put that gas cap on there, bud. All the cardboard off the sides of it. Throw it in the dumpster. There you go. Man, that looks pretty good. There you go. Throw her in that dumpster, boys. Let's get the top of this crate off before we call it. Grab it from the side. Don't grab it. So, 1, 2, 3. And it's undone. I got the axle bolted down there. All right, just put all them in there and we'll save all that hardware because we may end up using it for another project later. So lift it straight up. Don't hit, hold on, what's it? Okay, don't hit the bike, Reagan. I'm just gonna lift this up and get it off the crate, I think. There's a lot of work to do to pull that out. See this? Hold that side down. Okay, now the one above it. See that, Reagan?
Yeah.
It's gonna go in right here, but we gotta Loctite it, so we're not gonna tighten it. We're just gonna put it right here for now, okay? The bolt in that bracket, just put in, take it out. Huh, buddy?
Just take off that one.
Just that one and put the stuff on. So see, then the wheels and tires can go in after. Okay. So, you got the tire rods on, now what we're gonna do, you put it in there. Alright, now, let's take a look at the back real quick. It's on here, but it's bolted. So lift it. Parker, you lift the front end. I'll lift the back end and we'll move it off of the crate. Lift her, Bob! Lift her! Alright, this wheel right here goes on just like that, in that direction and everything, okay? Just like that. You ready? Oh, I'm gonna put it. Let's get it up. Hold on, Lord. Careful, because they don't have front wheels, so it doesn't balance very well yet. Okay. So what all was on here? Was this first?
No, this was first.
I think it's like this.
Oh,
Then that.
this was,
Go ahead. Then this. Reagan, this one first, like that. Now then. Are you going? loose, but you don't want to over tighten it. So see how that can get through the hole now? We put this through the hole all the way, and then we bend it up on the other side. Bend it like this. You don't have to worry about it coming out, and that tire won't ever come off. Put it in over here.
No, there's no.
Put it in. All right, put it in over here. How many bolts were there? 4? Okay, bring them here. There's no bolts, just nuts?
No, there's bolts and nuts.
Okay, let's put them on here. Grip them. Which doesn't matter so much when you're opening a crate, but it matters when you're putting something together and using items, right? How did that come out? There we go. All right, that look all right. We'll Loctite this whole front end, put the wheels on, then we just break in the motor, change the oil. That's pretty much it. So we're now putting on these shocks. See this? We're doing this for the Scouts because this should be done anyways. Get to work. Okay. Okay, bugger. Go on the other side and pop those 2 hubcaps on, y'all. Watch your big head, boy. Ready? Alright. This one's going in. What size are these? 12? Some Boy Scouts logos on it and stuff. Negative goes where? Black or red? Alright, which one's a positive? Think about that. The red, is red positive or black?
Red is positive.
Okay, so then that makes the black negative, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we got the fuel on, got fuel in it.
Don't put it on top. Just like
This thing's automatic with reverse. Yep. Okay, I think I can turn the choke off now. She might just fire right up. Well, I was wrong. Oh boy! Let's turn that idle up just a hair, Bubba. Get. Put it in reverse. Shift it down one right here. All right, give it a little bit of gas. Show them reverse works. A little bit, man. You got a lot of torque now. See, you're hollering, Reagan, you're going to the pond, and he ain't listening. You just shut him down. You can't do nothing. Push it. What are you doing, bud? What did you do?
Reagan, don't hit the house.
Hit that foot brake. Hit your foot brake. Y'all got brakes. That's better than my 4-wheeler. Yo, warm up the glow plugs. Pick up the back end. Yep. Up. That's good. Behind you, look. See the shop next to you, boy? There you go. You're on straight. And you will receive a helmet too.
Oh, you got the kills.
This is for the parents right here.
Thank you.
Well, my wife wanted to do it real good, and I let her take the measurements, guys. So now she got to cut twice. You know the story, guys. Measure twice, cut once, Boy Scouts. Not cut twice because you didn't measure so you
They're
did.
gonna look fine. It's gonna be fine. I'm gonna figure this out.
Okay, look at there. Looking good. You got your helmet.
There's our Cub Master.
I told the camera too, she helmet, boys.
Sorry.
that?
Never ride without a helmet.
Yeah, you should have it on.
I wanna get it.
If you just slap it, yeah, don't go. I'm a professional, boys. You don't have to worry about me. Your cake coupon. You want to trade me 2 for 1?
I don't think you can do that, babe. I think the scout has to vote for the cake.
Oh, it's a vote. I thought they were going to win the cake.
No, they're gonna vote for their favorite cake, and then there's an auction later to win it.
Oh, well, possibly.
So, okay. Yeah, pick the cake you like, buddy. That's.
I pointed at that. I distracted him. Don't lean in all these cakes, boy.
Hey, I need everybody sit down. This is our last item.
The last item which we ended up saving for, instead of doing it just on these silent auction.
I think that brakes on.
Break off. Yep. Okay. This was very generously donated by Cash for ATVs. Honey cups right here. Raise your hand. All right. It's a 125cc. It's got forward and reverse, electric start. It's got where you don't, if that's not engaged, you can't start it. Also, for parents, on the key, it has a key valve on it. You can remote kill the bike at any time when they're running. It has a speed limiter on it. You can set it where they can to limit with a helmet, and retails just on the bike is $963. So we did have on the silent auction, Sean Casey had put the bid at $300, and what we decided to do is let's do it as a live bid. So we have a bid on the table for $300. Who's up on the? We got 325. 325.
350.
All right, we got bids for $350.
Scouts, you cannot bid on this. Parents, please.
Yeah, I know. I saw them nodding.
Right. Yeah. You're good.
All right.
350. Katie, right there.
All right, we're at 400.
Going once.
We got it.
I'll go 425. 425.
450.
All right, we're at 450. 475.
500. 500. 550. I'm out.
All right.
Are you guys out? We're out? All right. Going once. Going twice. And that is it. Sold, Mr. Out.